Hello, my friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are messing with this grody stuff. We've been kicking butt in this interior. It's the happiest place in the world to be right now, except for all these little things in your peripherals. This looks gross. The windows are terrible, but we're getting there. Today, pillars.
So, you want to see what we've done to the interior of this car?
Where is it? Is it right up here
up
somewhere?
here.
Yeah. It's pretty fun. We filmed that a couple days ago, and we were cracking up, so please enjoy it. For this one, oh hey, I went to Joann's Fabrics and bought all this material that looks to be pretty close to
not bad.
The headliner to this. You know, like it doesn't seem too tough to get out, so we're gonna try to wrap it in this color, see if it looks great. We'll let you guys judge us on that. Please, at the end, let us know in the comments if we did a good job.
It's our first time.
Yes, it's our first time. Be gentle. Well, we're just gonna take these out and, you know, be our best little seamstress today and see if we can make them look nice and new again. So let's get to it. Okay, so we're just gonna start the A pillars, then do the B pillars, and then hopefully enough time and patience and what do you call that? Determination. We will hit the C pillars, but ABCs. That's how it will start here. I'm just gonna try my absolute rootin' tootinest.
Always be rootin'. Always be tootin'.
Always be scooting.
For sure, be shooting. But most importantly, be kind.
Little torque screws here, 1, 2, 3.
Let the beautiful people
You can see that. There's one right there. This one's a little bit shinier, easier to see. One down here, and then this thing should be able to pop away. So let's see what we're working with.
We evolved.
Yep.
Got better tools.
We went from
0 to hero.
yeah, level 20 mob boss now.
Link is in the description below. Mafia something.
You've seen the ads. Not in front of these videos though. We're not monetized yet.
But if we are, there'll be signs.
There will be signs.
We'll have our own Raid Shadow Legends link. That's when you know we made it. Pray for us. 10% off.
A few moments later.
Okay. As you see with my dejected face, Fun Police came and shut the whole party down.
We were too loud.
Too loud. Too excited. So, if you can tell, somebody cooked here. You know, we're missing metal tabs here. The little piece that we took off had all the tabs broken on the back. Like they attempted to re-glue this before. That's not even the major problem. The biggest problem is that this windshield was replaced, and they just windshield gooed the bejesus out of this and glued this piece to the inside of the windshield. So we cannot get it off.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get another set of A-pillar trim, and these are gonna have to be broken.
Yeah,
because we tried cutting the adhesive, and I don't know.
So we're gonna just put these back for now. These aren't the worst offenders. We'll do the B. We'll keep going, do the B pillar ones, and then hopefully, maybe even by the time we finish filming all this stuff, getting it together, we will have a solution for the A pillars, and we'll be able to show the completed video.
It's a made-up tale. It's a total fabrication. It never happened.
So, but that's what we're doing. We just keep pushing forward. All right, so the show goes on. We're just going to the B pillars here. All I believe we have to do is move this lower trim piece back, a couple screws here, and we can pop this down and kind of disconnect the stuff on the back and get this thing off. This is the biggest offender right here anyway, so what we really wanted to do. I'm glad I went with the gray instead of trying to change the color since we can't do this. So yeah, let's give that a shot. Hopefully there's no windshield goo attached behind this. got the first one off. Now we're just gonna switch to the driver's side. Okay, and got the other one. Once you get the pattern down, it's not super bad, but you can just, this is just so freaking awful, and you see all the glue and stuff like that. Just having these done is gonna make me so happy. We will get all of them, but main culprit's right here. Here we go. Okay, so yeah, here they are on the table. Disgusting. Yeah, we'll just peel all this off, and then we got the new fabric right here. Let me back out a little bit. Woo. Cool. Got the new fabric here. We'll peel this off, kind of line it up on the new fabric, measure it out, cut it, and be able to reapply it. Okay, so we're gonna give this a shot. We got a little piece cut out for putting this on. We'll tap both sides of it with the glue and then kind of set it, and then I think we'll trim out the excess, and hopefully it'll look like a nice solid piece. So let's give that a shot. Make sure that the stretchy way is horizontal. Yeah, okay. All right, here goes nothing. Luckily we have quite a bit of fabric, so yeah, we can try this a couple times if need to. But we do everything first try here. Okay. See how that worked out.
I was very confident. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so.
Okay.
Oh, okay, it's pretty tacky, like right away.
That was bold.
Just to give me a little bit of hand area. What am I doing? Okay, so that's tacked up.
One shot.
Very tacky. One shot, here we go. This glue is pretty serious.
Unlike us, we're pretty chill.
Yeah. In reality, we are very laid back. Oh, yeah. Cool, okay.
Imagine doing this on an entire car.
I mean, honestly, for first try?
I don't know, if I was the internet, that would get me mad. So that way everyone now sees it. Boo this man! Boo!
Do that to me.
Do it right.
Do it right.
Get it right.
Get it tight. Okay. Trying to find this new booty over here. If you remember that, you're in the right age bracket for this channel.
Like and subscribe.
Stop. It's my no-no place. Okay.
Doing another hit.
One more hit for this. No, it's glued through. I messed it up.
I don't think anyone's gonna notice.
Why is No!
We'll be right back.
I mean, we're gonna let this dry a little bit, but you know, we just kind of tacked it up tight, gave a lot of extra fabric so that we can trim up behind it and trim back here, spray a little bit on the back and finish kind of gluing the back. This probably has to sit like this for a while, but I mean, like, you saw how like this is just horrible.
It's got like people stains on it.
Yeah, I think this kid had like a Coca-Cola party in the car.
Yeah, he just sticky hands.
It's all gross
everywhere.
That, I mean, like, I think no matter what, we're a leg up on how this car was before.
Oh yeah.
I'm excited. So we'll jump to the other one, let this one dry a little bit, and then work on kind of finishing touches for you. I can't stop touching.
Pro tip, these little sons of a guns, it's an E46. All this plastic is kind of brittle. So there's gonna be 2 little push clips, the same thing you would find in a door panel. So all you're gonna wanna do is believe in yourself and the power of friendship, and one will pop out. And believe in the power of the economy, and the other one comes out. And there's gonna be, someone was here.
Windshield goo!
Someone cooked here. Again, this thing's been cooking. There's gonna be little metal tabs. Just trust me, bro. On this little fancy light, we won't worry about that. And then nothing. And then gotta do a little pinchy push. And there's the second one, little pinchy push. And then twist it. Get it through the hole. Pull her out. So that way you don't have a child. And we're done.
Thanks, man. Okay, so got the C pillars off while bees are drying.
Got Steve for the bee.
Well, yeah, this is just bad. Like, you can just see this in the rear view. Hasn't done great. Glue's going through. So we'll do our best to clean these up too. And then while these are drying, we'll switch back and cut up it, or yeah, finish trimming up those and getting them back in the car. And then we'll do the same to these. And finishing up gluing down this one. Hopefully, it's got to dry a little bit. We're letting it set, but even as is, it looks so much better. I'm like very impressed. This is our first time working with materials like this. Like, I'm much more comfortable with, a wrench and screwdriver in my hand than a pair of scissors and some adhesive. But this is looking good. Like, yeah, we're having a good time. So we'll switch over, let these dry. We'll kind of, I think, trim out the holes of the other ones and start putting them back in the car. Let's see how they look. Oh, I was like, what am I pulling up? It's okay. Stuff where it shouldn't be. Okay, guys. A couple hours later, went and had dinner. Let these things dry, but here's kind of what our finished product looks like. So, I mean, day and night already. We'll put it in first before we make our final judgments and everything. But I'm like, for our first time doing this, I'm pretty impressed with this. So let's get them in the car and see how they look. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this right here, it's just normal. And you don't really appreciate, it's hard to appreciate normal until you have old and faded and floppy and in your face and like dirty and just like feeling very cheap. And now it's normal again, and that makes me very happy. So like, it's been good. It's been good. We're gonna throw in the backs again. It's making the front ones look a little bit more sad than they were before, but that is what it is. We'll deal with that another time. But like, just to reach back here and not grab a handful of nonsense, it's cool. Oh, there we go. Oh, you guys, let us know what you think. Let us know if this is worth it. I think it's like the little things that make a big difference, and it's getting way nicer in here. Thank you so much for watching, hanging on for this stuff. We got some really fun stuff coming up. We're just kind of tinkering around right now, but we got a lot bigger pieces coming. So yes, please like, subscribe, share with your friends. and we will catch you in the next one. So thanks. Toodaloo.